Alright, so big progress with the Cobalt, because I have figured out why my seat on this thing has been unbearable the entire time. So, let me get my shoe on real quick. I'll show you. Backrest on this thing has always sucked, for God knows why. So I finally decided to take care of it and try and figure out what's wrong with it. To lift off this back thing that doesn't zip, it's just this J-hook type of thing, and then the actual cover is hooked in under the recline mechanism, so you can't really take it out easily, but you don't really need it, because if you look under there, oh geez, I don't know if you can look under there. Let me angle this a little bit better. Yeah, so you can see that there's that bar, there's a spring where these lines are that was broken. Now let me try and find it. Sorry. Oh, here it is. So this spring right here goes on like this in the car. So there's your angle, and that supports your back right here. This spring was broken. Not really broken, but up here they crimped it on like so. However, I guess over time this crimp wasn't strong enough, and you can see these two pieces of wire just basically fell out from the crimp. So when that happened, all back support just disappeared, and you basically did, your back was a C shape instead of that fancy S shape, which I obviously can't do with my hand. So when your back's like a C, it's extremely uncomfortable, especially since I drive this thing an hour a day each way going to and from work. So for the longest time I was looking for aftermarket lumbar support kits, and I just wanted to check underneath just to see how I can mount that kit up. But I think with this spring, I pushed it back together. Now I'm just going to close up this crimp a little bit better with a set of pliers that I have. Close up the crimp a little bit better so hopefully it doesn't come off. Then I guess the next step besides that is I'm still thinking about throwing this piece right here. So it would be your C shape, pushes right there, just to give myself a little bit extra lumbar support. And then this thing should be good to go. And that's going to be my whole seat modification. Okay, so let me show you. That's the final product right there. So it's basically that anti-fatigue foam, and then I bought some of this stuff, I think from online. It was super cheap, but this was from the E36 seat project. Stuffed both in there, so 2 layers. This stuff is super soft, so it doesn't really do much, but supports it just a little bit. And then this is the hard stuff, just so it doesn't compress all the way down. And yeah, I'm just gonna secure this back together now, put it in, and I should be sitting way more comfortably than before. Otherwise, taking out a Cobalt seat is super easy. It is, you have a 15 mil here, a 15 mil here, and then the front, there's no bolts. It's a hinge on both sides. It hinges into 2 slots, and the 2 slots are right here. Whoops. Yeah, 2 slots, and your 15 goes right there. And that's it. Your Cobalt seat slides out. There is a sensor, so all you gotta do is undo the battery like I have, and then pull out the and unclip the sensor. Otherwise, these things come out super easy. Yeah, don't really have much else to do. I've been watching a lot of old videos, and what people do with seats, like older seats, the seat foam at least, is they will take like steam and just try and puff up this foam, because this foam gets old and dried out, and then it doesn't work as well. I'm not doing that right now because it's getting late and I need this thing back together for work, but do expect I'm going to do a video on how to unclip everything here, undo the side panels just so I can get this bottom cushion out and just fluff it up a little bit. Maybe also get another piece of this foam. This is just your anti-fatigue foam that you buy like a 2x2. It's a 2x2 piece of foam that they all interlock. You can get like an 8x8 thing for like $10. I might throw a piece right here just to sit my ass up a little bit too, because I don't really have that much height adjustment with this thing. But besides that, yeah, I'm pretty damn happy with what I just discovered and how easy it is to fix this lumbar support issue with Cobalt. So, that's a quick little update. Thank you guys for watching.